Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates.
Ya mwami tabali bulungi ate abiwandiise
mu bookshop mwekali
ambasomere
baluwa esembayo
toli mutawana
eyajamu ekiwanuka yamuddamu
ekitabo kireye bulungi ekitabo kino bwekirimu
egenda te crossroad
era masanganzira omundi ogwokubiri Uganda ebadde masanganzira omwana yazaalibwa nga akonzibye n'akakatisa n'abakuwona bulwadde
mulabeko nenya mutabani wakaguta
tube tulowooza nti kabila yamajjanjaba taawona ekitegeeza
byonna babikola Museveni waali
ekitegeeza taawona
kitabu wakaguta kitabu wa Museveni yaliko mu lukiiko lwa Buganda baali befeera bokka kati muvumira ki
anti atereze byakyako
mumuvumira ki
byasuubiza okutereza
kubiddwa poli bayina jigira buli
elowooza nti eteredde
agikozeeko na nnyo
wewa
kakati nkugamba anti zobalwa mutyenyi
tofaayo
nkugamba yesterday bishop officers emu kiwanuka amugamba yesterday I sent you a personal letter. But today's newspaper told me that I was too late as the walkout had already taken place. I am so sorry, and of course, others have walked out along with you. Yet, out of my love for you and all Ugandans, I had to wonder whether there was anything more I could do. As a result, I wrote this letter note, of which I enclose a copy, and I'm sending it to you and the rulers of the four kingdoms. Olekyonoka yekandagane bakabaka abalala bawadde Buganda byeyagala yalina bano kiwanuka yabatikako ne munyonya abazzeeyo
kani maje
onuyizira onumane
obadde yagala kukyokuba ne sente nti yazirina kwegamba nga siza bufere ezize kiwanuka tiyazizaali
milioni ez'amasanyalaze muzibbi esente za radio ne TV muzibbi munoonya bululu ffe tuwogera bwogezi nti baabo amayinja ne tukuba obutambi obuwunya gyagenda okuba olukuŋŋaana tukubayo asangayo nadduka nebadduka
okaja kimu okubawa red card zokka
tebayina baleke Museveni seiras nga bwe nkugamba wano nti Museveni yatuyisa mu crossroad zonna naye bana baagala okunyakula
ezinajja nga avuddewo
akagala okukwata power ewali sente bwekaba abantu paka nebakuba munsi tesiri muntu nabatulya mu state house nga nfuluma bwe nga nababana
bagudde ku namba enkya
bwanalabye omuntu akoze resistance nze ogwo okimanyi nti nyinza okukaba sente waka nti sirina nenveeka nga sirina sente ngenda okabera mu nsawo yange mulimu emiliyoni nga baleese
bani
toyinza kunereka kusikabako kasonka kumaziga bo bakabya musaayi mukyakula batambulye mukagaali kabalima bwatakomyewo sente ezo ejogo yonna mufunyefunye ngaegomwe bali bebakuba nkugamba gye copy and I'm sending it to you and the rulers of the four kingdoms. I'm sure there are plenty of political difficulties, but I'm yet more sure that wisdom always overcomes difficulties and nothing else can. Indeed, this is a faith which I confidently share with you, since we are both servants and followers of our Lord Jesus Christ. I now wish I was in London to have a talk with you. The content of the Road Fisher's note were as follows. Kiwanuka yamugula
content sikatiyezo
yamuga nti oyagala nze mpe Buganda byeyagala ebimenya constitution singa oyina mukwano gw'omugagga kabaka wa Saudi Arabia n'akuga nti kkiriza nti Yesu si mwana wa Katonda mwana wa Mariya okikkiriza n'amuga nti singa akuga nti ngatta n'abakazi babiri nga bisooka okikkiriza naga nti bw'oba tokikkiriza nange siyinza kukkiriza Buganda giwe ebyo kutabula ggwanga lyange omusajja n'amuga nti kiwanuka obaze bubi. God did not give us a political system, a divine political system. But these are Christian values where we agree. kakati omusajja amusomera eno ye bbaluwa eyasembayo.
Those are the contents now.
Togimanyi commentinga ku history ya
independence.
Bw'oba togisomangako kati gugende
awe wali kalimanywera awo
twasamira ku TV leka kutwasamira luddawa tulina kyomanyi. Omusajja amugamba
bewayiriza ebyafaayo kati obimanyi.
I write this note as most sincere friend of Uganda, passionately anxious that its independence and self-government shall be established by our remain reached in the spirit of unity and by trust amongst its leaders. The one fatal thing to any hope of agreement is for anybody to claim power of veto against the others. When I was last in Uganda, I was then greatly distressed by the fact that, as it seemed to me, ministers of the Buganda Kingdom were trying to impose a veto, saying that they would only go forward on their own terms. Now, my heart sinks when I read in today's newspaper that Uganda's chief minister, members of his party, and representatives of Tom and Ankole, and also members from the Uganda district of Acholi, have walked out of the conference. I am not concerned with the particular details over which difficulties arise. A spectator sees most at the game. May I describe the general picture as I see it? Uganda is also ready and unavoidably at a kind of unity in itself, and that of a fundamental importance because it is predominantly a community of Africans. I'm thankful to think that neither our own government, the British government, nor any Europeans have any acts of their own to grind. Their jealousies and rival claims, but they are between the African leaders, and the final difference between them is tolerable. The colonial secretary is in the position of a referee. Players need not agree with the referee, but if they disagree, they do not walk off the field. They trust the referee and obey him. May I say that though some people in England may criticize details in the colonial secretary's policy, they agree that the referee is a referee and
it's the final
that
man.
He is a wise and sympathetic man. I thank God that the representatives of Uganda had given up their claims for veto and had entered the conference. I understand that they will not discuss further except on their own, as they had said. What's the dispute about? I find that it is about the way in which elections in Uganda for the Ruchiko and the heads of the central legislature should be conducted, and the time the chief minister said that it is a principle which is at stake. The competition is between rival interests. The whole history, both of the people of Uganda and of the rest of Uganda, is being kept in mind, and history demands that special consideration be given to the rights of self-determination of the kingdoms. The proposed settlement for the affairs of Uganda is to come before the full conference in due course, and the full conference will register its decision. Uganda bagenda bikomyawo babidiscussing nga bamulimba bye basooka batya ababaga ba Buganda okwekandaga bafulume era kyovola banga bakugamba the Buganda constitution was appended ku constitution ya Uganda ya 62.
It was incorporated.
This is why they say that they created a state within a state. Which state? This was confusion. It was rolling the snake out of his soul. A state the anami njekikunyonyola bibaba wayo tibyate bikola. No party must claim a right of veto, though they are free to vote against the final term. If any are not satisfied with the final decision, the Christian thing, whatever Musika, did they do have Muslims in Uganda? The Christian thing is to put up with it. Orabi.
Amusika kuchebajongera ko kiri ekyedde.
Nti gwe olabanga munkuŋŋaana nga tofunye mu kyoyagala. omutima ogw'ekikristaayo
bujja
kulekera bali ne batwala kiwanuka lekera Mengo
naye ye ng'akimanyi
yekiwanuka yaganda
ono yali ku reverse psychology
amugamba it is the only civilized way of behavior, the only creative and healing way of behavior, the only crucial thing to do in a certified state at this stage. Therefore, continuance of discussion is essential. The proper rights of the kingdoms and especially of Buganda, owing to its size and importance, must be recognized. And so far as the internal affairs of Buganda are concerned, they must have their wishes respected, provided that they do not interfere unjustifiably in the federal government of Uganda. Italy, Uganda tiberangako na federal, the Federal Republic of Uganda. Once you hear Republic itemba kabaka, ensi Republic itemba kabaka, mbasekera. Mwana mateko omutende ngali rudda.
Akatogo lwachi bakola nga katogo.
The Royal Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the Royal Kingdom of Morocco, the Royal Kingdom of Swaziland. Njagala ombuli Republic kabaka ali mu Republic ali rudda. Munamateko omutende ngali rudda wa munamateko omutende. The Republic of Uganda means when we hear Nalo is no longer virgin.
Nalo ngotaba mberera.
Abasajja bali menga. Ne mayanja aliokanga najja katuba kube tulimba demba kuba bumu
bagenda kubira mayanja noyo
tena bwe koma onka tujisira mayanja acho muteka mukatego unafukude mbote ebizibu era nabagambi kati kabaka yamaze okukola amasiro kati agenda Buganda jiwa second job kati ayino okuddayo mu Buganda agitabale ali okasonde sente omanyako na covid Maika akolanga covid kati iliyo second job kasitaka baka yagende Maika agenda
mwevu ya covid
yakusinga Buganda second job agenda kufukula kati agenda kumulalo bamusibye sanja agenda kufukula kati temwagala yate kabaka yagobeddewo abantu bameka bananga waliwo sebo mumbejja wa meya yankubidde simu sebo mumbejja yankubidde simu sebo mumbejja yankubidde simu nganjagala mayimbu lubiri mwaberanga mwagasajja agatagala kuwa musolo nagagati abambejja ati omumbejja tasabala kaboozi omumbejja yagamba bugati gwekikopi gwe naye tugenda okute mugongonetikalaki omumbejja tasaba kaboozi se
olikuwa byefina byemulaba wano byaffe n'ebirundi wano
Uganda is the duty of the referee to say that the desires of kingdoms are reasonably satisfied and the interests of central legislature are not seriously injured. It is not for the chief minister or anyone else, however great their responsibilities, to dig in their toys and say that they will not accept a particular decision. It is far more important for Uganda that a decision should be reached and accepted, even if imperfect.
Even if it is imperfect.
Even if it is imperfect. This is the basis. The man told Chiwanuka, what we are doing is imperfect. The independence constitution is imperfect from day one. This is the man what he said. Even if it should be reached and accepted, even if it is imperfect, then it should have to be imposed from any quarter. Chiwanoka believed that Lord Fisher advice was not in a good faith. The Archbishop was the person. His letters and his note betrayed pro-Buganda sympathies. Like Makirio, Diobote, and the Buganda delegates, Lord Fisher had chosen a political experience. According to Chiwanoka, His Grace wanted the DP to submit to Buganda wishes and to compromise the principles of democracy. Chiwanoka felt that the Archbishop of Lambeth should have addressed his advice to Makirio, Obote, and Buganda. Kakati eno naye Kiwanuka yamuwandikira ebbaluwa mbi nnyo eyajja DP mu buyinza
mu busungu tulina dakiika 5
tekisoboka. Kiwanuka yavuma Kibisopu Kiwanuka yavuma Kibisopu omumalawo Kiwanuka
tulabye nnyo bannaye.
Kiwanuka agamba I've just finished reading a copy of your note which you sent to all of the rulers from Uganda and to me. It's a pity you wrote before you received my long letter which I wrote to you. In answer to yours of the first said in my answer to you that the man of elections of representatives from Uganda to the National Assembly is not internal affair of Uganda. I'm not talking about election to the Buganda Luchiko, but our National Assembly. You start your last paragraph by the words, I profoundly believe that the matter before us, your grace, and who else? I did not know you were a member of our conference. I thought that the matter was outside your province. You say that no Europeans have any acts of their to grind. Let us accept this. But then, why did you take all this time of yours writing these useless notes, particularly when you show utter ignorance about what you say? You say, I'm not concerned with the particular details over which difficulties arise. Yet, you proceed to give advice intended to resolve the difficulties. How can you solve these difficulties if you are not concerned with their details? You say that no Europeans have any acts of their own to grind. How do you know? And who gave you this role of a spokesperson for all Europeans? You say they are jealousy and rival claims. Yes, but the jealousy is about what? And who claims what? Kiwanuka went ahead to abuse the Archbishop. The competition is between rival interests. What are those interests? Can the Luchiko as a body or any other individual just serve their claim in the interest in the manner in which I am as an individual casting a vote? If you say yes, can you tell me how the Luchiko came to acquire the right to claim my vote? Ugamba otyandi abaganda babaka bajja balonda mu lukiiko ani yakugamba nti akalulu kange nakawa lukiiko Bishop kiddemu nenga gwavuma mu kibamu avuma munaddiini avuma abangereza
National Assembly si ya Buganda.
Yes, neti yalivumye
tyanjawulo yalivumye.
You say that history demands that
abavuma
special consideration be given to the right of self-determination of the kingdoms. Agreed, but I believe your grace will be aware that this special consideration was given to Buganda in 1955 and that Buganda decided that it would have direct elections for her members in the National Assembly. Bachuka mu 1955 bakola endagaano tolukiiko lwa Buganda lugenda kulondebwa bantu kabaka alina mu basatu Katikkiro abeerenga talondebwa kabaka kati beefuula ate mengo weyagalira yeefuula beefuula ono abalemi buli lwe yeefuula ono omuli wa sente ayinza okwefuula olwava eri ono n'alaga ejjamani ono ne bamuba gadimba ne bamuba nga ali wasala akimyese ono ne balyoka bamukuba ne gundi ne bamukuba ne kasolo gwe yawaka akimyese omwana ayagala sente nkugamba
finally
the Buganda's position. What's the Buganda's position? Entitled to have settled this is 1955. Where are we talking about? You speak about kingdoms. Do you know that the other kingdoms were not treated in this conference in any way that is becoming kingdoms at all? Are you aware that in 1958 the kingdom of Toro refused direct elections, but that the protected government overruled this decision and elections were held in the kingdom? Toro yali egaanyi ngeyagala ebya Buganda gavana n'agaana kati ayagala bbiwa bano abatega ekitimba bano tebakiraba kyebala Kiwanuka batandise omunoonyerezaako mu lulu lw'abatuukirivu nga Nyerere
kubanga yakola ebintu bingi.
You say that the conference will register its decision and that after this no party must claim a right of veto. It appears that at the time when you jotted these words down, you had assumed, although quite wrongly, that the majority of opinion at the conference in 90 was in favor of indirect elections in Uganda. This was not the case. And please note that I did not walk out because I was defeated over the issue of... It was Mr. Makarioti who was defeated over the issue of the High Court for Uganda and direct elections. The majority were against them. Now, according to your theory, or Mr. Makarioti to have assisted, according to you, when a system of voting which is lawful proves inexpedient, then you turn to that which is unlawful, but expedient. In the same way, when the lawful system of marriage of one man to one woman proves inexpedient to some people, you will sanction returning to a more expedient system preached by Muhammad of marrying up to 4 and divorcing at 3. How wonderful! I'm glad you are preaching. Avuma Bishop Mumalayo. Tikwe gamba. Democrats akulemi Buganda bajiwangu. Tekatudde ku byobusiru. Namugamba, gwenga Bishop. Obufumbo wa musajja omubwe mumulema. Omugamba kuyingira busiramu kwegamba muwaba kazibana. Nenga kuwafuma. Kiwanuka yafuma Bishop. Nagga owabakuli. Teri wa deep ya alifuga
ate yegera boti
nkubulidde
je bali
ati abange ono gwe yafuma yali wa maanyi nnyo Archbishop
yali wa maanyi
yes mulimu abantu boleka
neyo nga abafuma abaswahili
nedda
kubanga kyaka bafumiddwa nje
bali bakutta obuyinza katebo omwami ono
abayita abaswahili
omwami ono yankwata
amalina okudda mu lunyankala n'abafuma mwawo
museta busaiti yazeeko teyamanya nti ndinaamanya mu ggwanga kati akwata sente mugende
obude otuliridde wejjepinga wejjekolera
tolinda bako
bagesaba mwami Tamala climax ku nsonga ya independence
omuzibu baba yaganye ekintu akuga nti balinda ebeera kasheku ka musansala musansala mwami w'ekizibu yagende wa mukwano gwe nanywa omwenge mungi n'atamiira nayonoona mu ngoye kati bwakeera kumakyanga talina gwanawayiriza kati mu gavumenti abanyampe bagwamu bekuba bokka abanyampe babagoba ne tugwamu kati be bakyefuuyira ne bakinuusa kakati musansala agenda okebera mu buliri ng'apamye ate tewali mwana wakuwayo munye abasajja bwe bafuuwa
yafunye omukka
mukyala kebera nappi y'omwana oyo mwana alabika kefuuyire nga temuli mwana omukazi amanya gwokifuuye wali mwana ali mukatanda kati bakyefuuyira ne bakinuusa fe batugobamu agenda musansala agenda okeera ku makya batalina gwawayiriza sikwekutuka nayingira ekibira musansala yayingira ekibira kati noonya kabaka musansala ekiziba musansala abula kati abaana baali bagenza okukima amazzi baali bagenza okusenya enku mu kibira ne basanga omusajja abunduse enviiri ne bamubuuza n'ababuuza musansala aliyo musansala taliyo musansala agende wa munywanyiwe yanywa malwa mangi akanya munju ya munywanyiwe musansala n'abuuza abuuza obwana abaana bakawulira nti bakawulira abaddu bakawulira abazaana bakawulira balindebera kaseku ka musansala musansala n'abula kati abaana bwe baddangayo ku gundi nga musansala bamulaba buli kaseera ne babuulira abasajja abataka nti musansala teyafa tulina omusajja gwe tusanga ku luzzi abunduse enviiri ekibira kati omuziba bw'aba yaganye ekintu bagamba be oyo ye musoga nga kati nange sisobola kukolagana na muvubuka onanjoza emyaka 8
mubadde balabe balungi nnyo
fenna ewange tukeera kumukolimira oba akwata sente oba tazikukwatiriza battle between him nze muzeeyi yampadde byonna bitadde abanazimu banje ajja balaba bagikujja bazimu bange kyajoga ku luno yajogamu atajogapagana na musawo
olina kyotugambyemu mu dakiika 2 zokka ekyagala okuyamba omulimu gwaffe tujja kutandikirawo
nja basomera ebbaluwa kubanga
kyali very interesting
King Fisher yamubuulira n'amugamba nti constitution gyetukoze yankaaga mu 2 ogirabye omusajja agambye teri perfect era yamugamba if constitutions are made without mistakes, what will the future generations do? We have made this constitution of 1960 deliberately to achieve independence.
Yes.
If constitutions are not made with mistakes, what will the future generations do? Yamugamba Kiwanuka learn it from me. Even if this constitution lasts for a day, even if it lasts for a month, what we want to achieve is Uganda independence. Why? Both Chiwanuka and Mengo and Obote didn't know that this was a conditional by Roosevelt and the Churchill that all colonies must get independence so that the colonial masters like Britain could access the master plan.
Olwalo musomye bulungi nnyo ate tufunye ekyenjawulo nnyo temuddamu gamba nti mulina ebyafaayo bya independence nedda emyaka gigenda kuwera ddala 59 kumpi giweze naye tufunye ebyafaayo waawava obuzibu abali crossroads. Mwami Tamale mulundi mu kigambo kimu nawe kitugambye nti tuyagala kuyambako industry n'obutayononeka ey'abannamawulire bakati bakutta abamawulire babasibye n'abalala awali ekitiisa
etteeka lya computer eryo bbinyo abusing the computer kikutegeeza luli defamation ebadde bweti you were defamed before they were thinking members of society. You must have a rose. That's why I record myself. Kakati lino oline bwaddira aganti you sent him or her a message that is offensive bakusiba nabira bimwogera. What is a computer? Ekitegeeza mwena mujja kuggwawo
tuwedde
okutuusa kubanga kakati kambabuulire abo bamawulire benyini aba gavumenti bateekawo ekibiina kya NIJU, the National Institute of Uganda Journalists. Kakati tebekiwa okuwa license every tekikola. Kakati omanye nti omulamuzi akubuuza nti aye journalist do you have a practicing certificate?
Ekyo kikyalema
ate teriiwo ate bakugamba national council etya this part of this. If this one collapsed, I told you is like when Muwanga and Museveni topped the Binaisa government, the military commission but Nyerere yamuga nti no military commission part of UNLF yagamba gundi yali chairman nti gwendo utuze national council consultative council kano katundu namuga nti ekyaliyo Muwanga wambye government. Kakati ate if the National Institute of Journalists of Uganda is dysfunctional, where do you have its council of arbitration?
Kati abamawulire bagenda kusiba busiba koyo
ngera bayamba era nga bwe nabayamba ku 1995 statute najikuba nenjiteekawo nalino ngera kufuna sente mbayite
naye bano abayimbira bate bagenda kusaanawo
ate kati mwobuzibu muyina buli bwebuti nti kati abo abaana abo aba NPS. How could Kalisa not protect them? Omanyi Kabushenga yataddewo radio. Kabushenga yataddewo TV. Era obusiru omwana yali azzeewa. KCBC gye banyina ne abamuwuliriza n'ali mukubi. Kabushenga yanvuma nti ndi mulalo. Kabukedde kano kasajja kakweta akekukumye wabbalamu bakano. Kakati nkubuulira.
Abayimbi okutandika okuwala mpata
abawandiikako. Waayirire nti Kalisa fight for them. It means they are migrating somewhere else. Bamuddukako. Chobola ati yabayambye Kalisa si yakulira abo yayambye abantu be
kama wabo
kitegeeza bagenda kubanga this is the nature nti abantu balowooza nti radio and TV are entertainment. Take care of obuwala okolechi
olabe.
Yes, but those girls they are entertainment ina guidance era mwebasasira. How can a university council, a member of the university council, pick Bad Black as an ambassador of goodwill ambassador?
A brand ambassador.
Mujigobe Victoria, and I want to tell you, how does one go to university? You either go when you response or when you sit in Jimat. Where did Badi Bulaka sit exams?
Maybe she's going to sit in Jimat.
It is a matter.
But you are entry exams.
That is a matter. The vice chancellor has a problem.
Badi Bulaka,
you wait. I can predict it. Within a very short time, Badi Bulaka is going to vomit. As she has already vomited. The best Sudhir could do is to sack this vice chancellor.
I think I
will still close to Sudhir or Rajiv. This man must go. Badi Bulaka vomits. You were sacked in vomiting. You will see. When Badi Bulaka vomits, you will see vomits similar to those of the vice chancellor. I bet when
nebiri ebyasooka bigenda kuvayo mu kino
deebo abakola bali tebamumye sente ze wano emiliyoni olukaaga naga gwe wenyenderako wano gwe wenyenderako ate ngenda kwogera abanene tebanzireza linda kana ayogera mbabuulidde the best but this man can do Sudiru, I used to talk to Sudiru. Sudiru bamutisa Senadu. All the rich people. Omwana ono yabakanga kanga.
Obadde mulabi mulungi nnyo kuva gye twatandikidde Victoria University namwe abamawulire mwegezeze n'etteka liva eryamba ku bya kompyuta.
Bali Black will corrupt with the Victoria University. Wait.
Tweyanziza nnyo tweyanze nga obadde mulabi mulungi